Today I'm going to talk about the 8 foods that will push your libido to an ultimate high. No fountain of youth will give you a robust sex drive your entire life. What you can have, however, is a specific diet that's rich in foods that help promote a boost in libido. Are oysters as good as they say for libido? What about fruits like watermelon and apple? Will they be great for libido? Watch until the end where I'll reveal a personal favorite that helps skyrocket my sex drive. Number 1. Avocado. Avocado is such a versatile food that it's no surprise how it earned its title as a culinary favorite. Packed with heart-healthy fats, vitamins, and fiber, this creamy green fruit is great at providing lasting energy in the bedroom. On top of that, avocado helps promote good circulation and a healthy heart, 2 important conditions for having a good libido. If you aren't the biggest fan of avocados, then you might love number 2, apple. An apple a day can extend your sexual stamina. Apples are abundant in polyphenols, antioxidants, and flavonoids, which work together to protect men from prostate cancer. More importantly, this combination of nutrients allows for an increased blood flow to the male private parts. Just make sure to eat the skin too, as this houses most of the beneficial chemical compounds. Apple is made up mostly of water, and speaking of water-rich fruits, there is also watermelon, but I'll talk more about that a bit later. Number 3, pomegranate. Pomegranates, as a symbol of fertility and a sex booster, go way back, and true enough, these fruits really do help turn up the heat in the bedroom. According to studies, eating pomegranates or drinking its juice aids in enhancing blood flow, thus improving your libido. These benefits are due to the high levels of antioxidants in the fruit. So if you're looking for something new, sweet, and healthy to snack on, pomegranates are your answer. Another sweet fruit I know I can always count on when my libido needs an upsurge is number 4, strawberry. Whether you prefer your strawberries topped with whipped cream or dipped in chocolate, either way, your sex drive is surely in for a great boost. This romantic favorite fruit is rich in vitamin C, thereby helping increase sex drive and improve blood flow and reduce stress and anxiety. Moreover, eating strawberries encourages your body to release the love hormone oxytocin, which is known for its association with sexual arousal and orgasm. These foods are primarily focused on increasing your libido, but if you wish to boost your overall sex life, don't forget to add garlic to your diet, which I'll touch more on in a little while. Number 5, watermelon. Watermelon is more than just a healthy pick-me-up when you want to cool down. Although it's composed of 92% water, the remaining 8% is all made with vital nutrients for high libido and better sexual health. Rich in vitamins B5, watermelon works for managing stress, which is good for both male and female libidos. With lower stress levels, you're more likely to get in the mood. Watermelon is amazing for restoring your natural sexual desire, but wait until you hear about what bananas can do. Number 6, banana. The banana fruit is jam-packed with simple carbs, which serve as lasting energy to help keep you going, alongside potassium. The muscle-relaxing mineral prevents cramps and muscle spasms that may come in between your sexy time. Furthermore, potassium can help lower blood pressure, and in turn can boost sexual performance by providing proper blood flow to certain parts of the body, including the genitals. If you have to pick your top foods among those I've discussed, what are they? Mine would be apple and avocado. I love how easy it is for me to add them to my current diet. What about you? Drop your answers below. Another natural product that can have a massive boost in libido is tea, specifically my personal favorite 2-point tea. Tea. The ingredients for this tea are considered a bladder tonic and aphrodisiac. These ingredients work together to support the health of the endothelium for healthy blood flow, so men can feel like their best version. Drinking 2 points will result in an evident boost in both libido, stamina, and blood flow, all within 90 days. This tea has been carefully crafted and designed to naturally enhance your libido and reignite the spark in your life. Number 7, egg. Poached, scrambled, fried, deviled, whichever you want your eggs to be, you'd get a surefire boost on your libido. Eggs are low in calories but high in protein, which is a source of stamina. In addition, they're a good source of the amino acid L-arginine, which has been found to treat heart ailments and erectile dysfunction. So, for a more enjoyable intimate time with your partner, consider eating eggs. Oysters are also excellent at increasing your sex drive. Here's how. Number 8, oyster. When it comes to natural aphrodisiacs, oysters are a favorite pick of most. It's loaded with zinc, which helps in producing testosterone, a hormone that plays a major role in your mood and sexual health. In particular, a boost in T levels translates into heightened sexual desire in many cases. Also, thanks to the zinc content of oysters, it aids blood flow to both male and female sexual organs. If you are still watching, then congrats, because I'm revealing my ultimate guilty pleasure for boosting my sex drive, and it's none other than the cold favorite. Number 9, dark chocolate. Dark chocolate would also make an outstanding libido booster for anyone wishing to enhance their love life. The compounds of dark chocolate help to increase both serotonin and dopamine levels in the brain, also known as the feel-good neurotransmitters. Plus, this sweet treat has flavonols that also help increase blood flow and relax blood vessels. For the best results, choose the less processed varieties the next time you're in the grocery store. Having a high libido is just the first part. In addition to those foods, it's imperative that you also make this kitchen staple a part of your regular diet. It's like an all-rounder veggie for men's health, specifically in the reproductive department. To enlighten yourself about the powerful benefits of eating garlic, so subscribe to Nathan Health and Fitness. Make sure to watch this next video.